Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to set up your website. So first of all, from this discuss page, which you start off when you log on, you go to your famous little four dots on the top left and you go to website. From there you go to configuration and settings. Then you will see it's got your website in here. Normally you should only have one website, but if you want more, you can create here a new website. You click on create a new website. I think that's pretty obvious. And then next steps, here you can go to your website. We'll do that in a minute. Sort of show you around a bit. You can pick a theme. At the moment, we only got one theme installed. Then you got your website title, and this is your name of the website. Fave icon. I've already added one, but you can also do it when you click on your little dot there, sorry, your edit pencil, and then you can select your logo, and then it'll be in there. And then your language, you can select your website language. At the moment, we only got one language installed, but you can install a new language by clicking on Install New Language. I think it's also pretty obvious. And then you can select your language and click on Add. I'm not going to do that because we're staying on English. And then your company. Now, I haven't set up a company yet. This is a fresh installation because I wanted to show you how to create a website. I don't want to destroy ours. And so anyway, so it's still called our company, but of course your company's name is going to be in there. Then the domain. This is very important that you put your domain name in because later on when you set up your emails, your outgoing and incoming server, then it's going to refer to this domain so that your emails are going to work as well. Then you can select your specific user account. This is if someone does set up a user account or wants to create an account on your website, you can set it to create a specific account. You can make a template account and say everybody that creates an account gets these following rights, not that somebody here becomes a super user on your website and starts changing stuff. Then there's cookie bar. I'll activate it. Activate anyway. Um, Default social share image. We won't play with that at the moment. Social media. So if you've got a social media account, you can add it here. I don't have any, so I won't add anything. Oops. Da -da -da -da, da -da -da. This is just a test anyway. And then Google Maps. This you can activate if you are a local shop that want people to find you as well. Then you can activate this, and then it shows you some links here that you can click on that will show you how to create your API key. You have to create a Google account and then create the API key which you're going to enter here, and then your Google Maps will work. Slides. This is a very nice feature as well, where you can create uh, videos or like a learning videos, and you can like training or schooling videos. Um, then you get your Google Drive API, um, which you can use to save data on. Everybody, I guess everybody knows Google Drive. For those of you that haven't used it, it's like a cloud storage. Then you got live chat. So if you offer live chat, you can set up your channel and your users, which are going to be your moderators basically. And if somebody's on your website and got a question, there'll be a little live chat button at the bottom right. They can click on that and they can ask questions, and you guys can live answer them. Then you got the contact form. Um, you can say then if somebody contacts you over the contact form, you can have different sales teams and sales people, and you can then add your salesperson, sales team, products. If you're selling products on your website as well, You can select variants, and with this, it is if you, for instance, selling a product that comes in different colors, then you can say, okay, I have your product. You can buy this in blue, yellow, green. You can buy it in big, large, small, and so on. And you can also set different prices to these unless the prices are the same when it's just over color. But if it got different sizes, you get different prices. You can, of course, add your price as well, the price difference. And then you got optional products. That is if you are selling a plastic cup and you say the optional product is a plastic plate, a plastic knife, and a plastic fork that goes with it. And then you got your digital content. So it's basically if you're selling ebooks and music, stuff that people can download. So when you offer this, once they've paid, they get a link where they can download this. Wish lists. This is something similar to what you should already know from Amazon, where you can create a wish list. So if you see something on the website, or the customer sees something on the website that they like, they can add it to their wish list. Come back later and have a look at it again and hopefully buy it. And comparison tool, I'm sure everybody knows that. And the inventory, same thing. Okay, then we got product prices. So you can have tax included or tax excluded. This depends if you're selling B2B or B2C. So if it's to customers, you'll say tax included. If it's business to business, then you'll say tax excluded. And your price lists, here you can set up different prices for in case if you are selling international and you want to do different currencies as well. You can set up your different price lists. You can set up um, promotions, discounts, and stuff like that, so that when you've got special customers that spend a certain amount every month or year from you, and uh, you can set up them or set them up with a special discount price list. So every time when they come and buy, they get, for instance, 5%, 10% or so discount from you when they buy. And this is the discounts, basically what I just explained on the price list. It all hangs together. Multi-currencies, this is of course what you're going to need if you need a different price list and different currencies. And coupons and promotions also hangs together with discounts and price lists. Then we got the shipping, you got your shipping address and shipping costs. So if you want to charge for your shipping, you can activate this and then you can have different things like DHL and so forth that you can use. You got here a couple that's pre-entered already, but these are only enterprise. So if you would not want to use them, you have to pay for it. But there's also a lot of other modules that you can download and install. But if you need any help with it, of course, you can come to us. We are always willing to help. Then invoicing. Yeah, so you can either say invoice what's ordered or delivered. And order follow-up. This is if somebody placed the order and would like to find out where his order is or if something is wrong, then you can set this up for them. It's like the after sales. And then you got your Google Analytics, which we also explained in one of our, or will explain if we haven't explained it already in one of our videos, and the console Google search, which we don't really use at this moment. Well, that was it from my side, and in the next video, I will show you how to create the website itself. This was just your little pre-fun for getting ready to set it up. Hope you learned something good. Have a nice day. Bye bye.